NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.3, Question 7. Find the value of m if the points 5, 1, minus 2, minus 3, and 8, 2m are collinear. Let us find the answer. We are given 3 points. Let us consider them as A, B, and C. We are also given that A, B, and C are collinear points. We know that if A, B, and C are collinear, then the area of the triangle formed by these 3 points must be 0. Area of triangle ABC must be 0. Let us consider point A as x1, y1, point B as x2, y2, and point C as x3, y3. And what is the area of the triangle formula when we are given 3 points? 1 by 2 modulus of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. We have to equate this area to 0. Now let us substitute points A, B, and C in the area formula. 1 by 2 modulus of x1 is 5, y2 is minus 3, minus y3 is 2m, plus x2 is minus 2, y3 is 2m, y1 is 1, x3 is 8, y1 is 1, y2 is minus 3, equal to 0. That implies 5 of minus 3 minus 2m plus minus 2 of 2m minus 1 plus 8 of 1 minus of minus 3 is equal to 0. Now let us simplify this. 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. 5 times minus 2m is minus 10m. Minus 2 of 2m is minus 4m. Minus 2 of minus 1 is plus 2. 1 minus of minus 3 is 4. 8 times 4 is 32. Equal to 0. Minus 10m and minus 4m is minus 14m. Minus 15 plus 2 plus 32 is plus 19 is equal to 0. Minus 14m is equal to minus 19. M is equal to 19 by 14. Therefore, our final answer is m is equal to 19 by 14 if the given points A, B, C are collinear.